Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best emergency radios on Amazon. You probably have an emergency roadside kit somewhere in your car. These special radios are designed to work even when there's no power, no contact with civilization, and limited radio coverage. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Fose Power Emergency Solar Hand Crank Portable Radio. The Fose Power Emergency Solar Hand Crank Portable Radio offers just about everything you could need in one compact emergency radio. This single device is also an emergency flashlight, an emergency charger for smartphones and other critical tech gadgets, and an emergency SOS alert. It's perfect for making part of your emergency roadside assistance kit and can operate on hand cranking, solar power, or even a set of AAA batteries. It'll deliver both AM/FM radio stations and NOAA weather alerts, giving you access to the latest updates and critical warnings. What we like about it: smartphone charger, multiple power sources, flashlight and a reading light. What we don't like about it: lacks shortwave capability. Solar panels could be more efficient. Number 2. Midland Emergency Weather Alert Radio. The Midland NOAA Emergency Weather Alert Radio is versatile, helpful, and perfectly suited for any kind of emergency, as this radio is public alert certified and receives 7 NOAA channels, providing warnings for issues like floods, tsunamis, earthquakes, tornadoes, and more. You'll get SAME programming via this radio, with more than 60 emergency alerts, as well as alert override functionality that automatically turns you into any critical announcements. It runs on 3 AA batteries and features a built-in clock. This emergency radio even includes a voice alert, siren, and flashing LED light to give you emergency notifications. What we like about it: 25-country memory system, 90 decibel siren, more than 60 emergency alerts. What we don't like about it: concern over station strength, battery operated only. Number 3. Kaito Voyager 5-way powered emergency radio. The Kaito Voyager 5-way powered emergency radio rolls everything you need and want in an emergency radio into one premium product. This emergency radio can be powered in multiple ways, such as by a hand crank generator, solar panels, AA batteries, USB input, AC/DC input, and a rechargeable battery. It offers comprehensive coverage of AM/FM radio, as well as 7 pre-programmed NOAA weather channels, so you can capture real-time alerts and updates. It takes preparedness a step further with an included LED reading lamp, LED flashlight, and an LED SOS beacon light. What we like about it: 14.5-foot telescoping antenna, mobile battery charger, reading light and SOS beacon. What we don't like about it: expensive. Hand crank could be more sensitive. Number 4. Rainix Solar Hand Crank Emergency Radio. The Rainix Solar Hand Crank Emergency Radio will provide you peace of mind in emergency situations by providing reliable access to NOAA weather stations, as well as AM/FM and shortwave radio stations. It's equipped with a 2.5-watt reading lamp to illuminate dark spaces without being overly bright, and also comes with a 3-watt integrated flashlight for times when you need a little extra brightness. This model comes equipped with a compass and a handy carrying strap for portability. 5 ways to power your radio ensure you will have access to it during the most critical times. The power will drain down quickly, depending on how long you leave the flashlight or reading light on, so it's best to use it for short periods if you want the radio to last through the night. What we like about it: carrying strap, built-in compass, strong hand crank. What we don't like about it: lights drain power quickly, tough to get a clear reception. Number 5. Esky Emergency Radio. The Esky Emergency Radio is a great pick for a durable, tough radio that can withstand both any emergency situation as well as weather elements. It's a capable little radio, as you'll get AM/FM and NOAA weather radio stations to keep you in the loop about emergency updates, critical weather reports, and access to various stations. It's easy to carry with you, thanks to an included lanyard and perfectly compact sizing, so it'll fit inside your pocket or the glove compartment or center console of your vehicle. In addition, this emergency radio is also tough enough to withstand anything that comes its way. What we like about it: compact enough to fit in your glove compartment. Ultra-durable housing. Water-resistant. What we don't like about it: needs a stronger built-in receiver. Could use a taller antenna to access NOAA stations from further away. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.